Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Engineering Mathematics 3. Begin by thoroughly understanding the fundamental theories and principles. Don't jump straight into problem solving without a solid conceptual base. Ensure you have a strong grasp of prerequisite subjects, as they form the building blocks for advanced topics. Dedicate sufficient time to each concept before moving on, building a robust foundation for success. Consistent practice is crucial for mastery. Solve numerous problems from your textbook and supplementary materials to reinforce your understanding. Don't just read solutions, actively work through each step yourself. Regular practice, even for short durations like 1 hour daily, builds confidence and improves problem-solving speed. Focus on understanding the methods, not just getting the right answer. To truly internalize the material, try to visualize abstract concepts. Drawing diagrams or creating flowcharts can make complex ideas more concrete. Engage in discussions with classmates or your professor to clarify doubts and gain new perspectives. A powerful technique is to explain concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This reveals gaps in your understanding. Regular review sessions are vital to retain information over time. Revisit older topics periodically to keep them fresh in your mind and connect them with new material. Leverage online resources, such as video tutorials and practice quizzes, to supplement your learning and gain different perspectives. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other helpful deals. Staying hydrated is important for focused study sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.